Hey guys, Adam DeYong here from RMW Property Agents and welcome to 13 Lapwing. This property is located in a quiet cul-de-sac. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, double lock-up garage, fully security screen, and every room bar one is fully air-conned, which is terrific. The home also features side access, room for a shed, not to mention how close we are to schools, shops, and handy if you work in Rocky or further afield. You go and take a look and I'll see you soon. Yeah, 13 Lapwing. So the end of the cul-de-sac. Yep, that's it, the one on the left. Yeah, oh, fully aircon. Yeah, bar one room, but you'll love it. Come along, have a look. Talk soon. So, if you're looking for a low set 4-bedroom brick in the heart of town, close to everything, with side access, as I mentioned, every room bar one's got aircon, make sure you give me a call. We'll check out 13 Lapwing. Guys, it'd be crazy if you didn't. Have a great day, keep smiling, I might see you at one of the open houses. Bye for now.